In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Apollo.io API key. Whether you're integrating Apollo's powerful features into your application or leveraging its data for deeper insights, obtaining the API key is the first step on this exciting journey. Let's walk through this process together so you can easily access what you need. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Apollo.io website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address bar, apollo.io. Hit enter and you'll be taken straight to their homepage, a hub of innovative tools ready to boost your outreach efforts. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and find the Login button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Make sure you type them in carefully to avoid any mistakes. Once your login details have been verified, you'll gain access to your account dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner where you'll see a silhouette icon or your profile icon. This is where you'll find the admin settings. Clicking here will lead you to a menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Within the admin settings, look for the integrations option. This is an important section because it allows you to connect Apollo's capabilities with other platforms you might be using. Once there, you have a manageable interface that makes it simple to link up with various services. Now, let's search for the API. When you're in the integration section, you can utilize the search feature. Just type in the keyword API and wait for the system to bring up the relevant options. It's incredibly convenient that Apollo provides a way to directly find what we need without any hassle. After you locate the API option, you'll see a Connect button. Click on it and Apollo will guide you through the next steps. The system is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. Upon clicking Connect, you will be redirected to Apollo's developer site, specifically tailored for API integration. The Get Started button, typically prominent and easy to spot, will be your next destination. By clicking it, you'll gain access to a plethora of APIs that Apollo offers, each with specific documentation to assist in their implementation. As you explore the developer site, you can delve into the APIs that suit your needs. This is the space where you can compare features, read guidelines, and obtain your API key once you've chosen the correct API for your project. By following these steps, you will have your Apollo.io API key, unlocking new possibilities in data usage and integration. I hope this guide made the process simple, clear, and straightforward. Thanks for following along and happy integrating.